Comprehensive support comparison. Lumbar support products play a crucial role in improving posture, alleviating back pain, and enhancing comfort during prolonged sitting sessions. Whether you're working at a desk, driving long distances, or gaming for hours, the right lumbar support can make a significant difference in your daily comfort and spinal health. For this comparison, list 1. The Everlasting Comfort Lumbar Support Pillow is the premium option in this lineup, priced at $39.99. This pillow features high-quality memory foam that contours to the natural curve of the spine, providing support for the upper, middle, and lower back. With its breathable mesh cover and adjustable straps, it is designed for versatility, fitting a range of chairs from office chairs to car seats. The durable construction ensures the pillow maintains its shape over time, making it a reliable long-term investment. In testing, the Everlasting Comfort Pillow excelled in providing firm yet comfortable support, particularly for individuals who experience lower back pain during extended sitting sessions. The adjustable straps kept the pillow securely in place, even on larger chairs. However, its firmness may not suit users who prefer softer support, and its relatively high price point could be a deterrent for budget-conscious buyers. Overall, it's ideal for professionals and gamers who prioritize ergonomic design and durability. List number. The Fedall back brace support belt stands out as a unique option in this lineup, priced at $28.99. Unlike traditional lumbar cushions, this product is a wearable back brace designed for active support during movement. It features 4 strong support strips and a removable lumbar pad for customizable comfort. Made from breathable neoprene, it is designed to reduce back pain caused by conditions like sciatica and scoliosis. During our evaluation, the Fedall back brace provided excellent support for users engaged in physical activities like lifting or prolonged standing. Its adjustable straps and multiple size options ensure a snug fit for various body types. However, it may not be the best choice for those looking for a cushion to use while sitting, as it's designed primarily for active use. This product is ideal for individuals seeking a hybrid solution for both mobility and back. List number. The Q-Tool Lumbar Support Pillow, priced at $26.99, offers a balance of affordability and functionality. Its ergonomic design targets the upper, mid, and lower back, making it suitable for office chairs, car seats, and gaming chairs. The high-density memory foam ensures the pillow retains its shape, while the breathable 3D mesh cover promotes airflow for all-day comfort. In our tests, the Q-Tool pillow performed well in providing consistent support during long hours of sitting. The upgraded double straps kept the pillow securely in place, though its larger dimensions may not fit smaller chairs or sofas. The firmness level strikes a good balance between comfort and support, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. However, it may not be ideal for users seeking a highly compact or portable option. List 4. The Samsonite lumbar support pillow is the budget-friendly option in this comparison, priced at $19.99. This pillow features high-grade memory foam that provides firm support for the lower back. Its compact size and lightweight design make it a portable solution for office chairs, car seats, and even plane seats. The breathable mesh cover is removable and machine washable, ensuring easy maintenance. While testing, the Samsonite pillow provided adequate support for shorter sitting sessions, though its smaller size may not suit users requiring full back support. The single adjustable strap works well for most chairs, but may not secure the pillow as tightly as double strap designs. Despite these limitations, its affordability and portability make it a great choice for occasional use or list number. The Nicey Lumbar Support Pillow, priced at $25.99, offers a well-rounded solution for back support. Its ergonomic design and high-quality memory foam provide targeted relief for lower back pain while promoting proper posture. The double adjustable straps ensure the pillow stays in place, and the 3D mesh cover enhances breathability. In real-world use, the Nicey pillow excelled in maintaining comfort over extended periods. The memory foam adapts to the user's body, providing a personalized fit, However, the straps may not be long enough for larger chairs, and the pillow's firmness may not suit users who prefer softer support. Overall, it's a reliable mid-range option for office workers and drivers.